This is a 2008 BMW 750. It has a 4.8-liter 8-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features and packages include the rear entertainment package, the luxury seating package, the convenience package, a navigation system, a DVD player, commercial-free satellite radio, and high-intensity discharge headlights. The following features are also included: a power moonroof, active ventilated seats, cruise control, a premium sound system, leather seats, a passenger side vanity mirror, a security system, a traction control system, a steering wheel with memory settings, and this vehicle has fewer than 47,000 miles on the odometer. Not to mention that this BMW qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Contact us today to schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.